Dialogue 1. Level A1. Nice to meet you.
Hi. What's your name? Hi. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Jamie. And yours? Hello, I'm Jamie. And yours?
I'm Alex. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you, Jamie. Nice to meet you, Jamie.
Nice to meet you too, Alex. Nice to meet you too, Alex.
Dialogue 2. Level A1. A small world.
Hello, I'm Alex. Hello, I'm Alex.
Hello, I'm Jamie. Hello, I'm Jamie.
Where are you from, Jamie? Where are you from, Jamie?
I'm from Hollywood. I'm from Hollywood.
Hollywood? You're kidding! Hollywood? You're kidding!
No, it's true. No, it's true.
That's amazing! I'm from there too! That's amazing! I'm from there too!
Dialogue 3. Level A1. Alex at the post office.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. I'd like a stamp for this letter. I'd like a stamp for this letter.
Good morning. Good morning. Sure, one stamp for a letter. Sure, one stamp for a letter.
Thank you. How much is it? Thank you. How much is it?
It's 50 cents. It's 50 cents.
Here you are. Here you are.
Thank you. Here's your stamp. Thank you. Here's your stamp.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Dialogue 4. Level A1. The Big Apple.
Good afternoon, Sarah. Good afternoon, Sarah. Welcome to our restaurant. Welcome to our restaurant.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. This is my first time here. This is my first time here.
Great. Great. Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Los Angeles, California. I'm from Los Angeles, California.
Let's get in, please. Let's get in, please.
Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. What would you like to order? What would you like to order?
I'd like some French fries, please. I'd like some French fries, please.
Coming right up. Coming right up.
How is New York compared to your home? How is New York compared to your home?
It's very different, but I love it. It's very different, but I love it. Dialogue 5. Level A1. Don't smoke.
Hi, do you smoke? Hi, do you smoke?
No, I don't. And you? No, I don't. And you?
I used to, but not anymore. I used to, but not anymore.
That's good. Smoking is not healthy. That's good. Smoking is not healthy.
Do you mind if I ask why you don't smoke? Do you mind if I ask why you don't smoke?
I don't like it. Plus, it saves money. I don't like it. Plus, it saves money.
True. Cigarette packs can be expensive. True. Cigarette packs can be expensive.
Exactly. Exactly. I prefer to spend my money on other things. I prefer to spend my money on other things.
Dialogue 6. Level A1. Do you work?
Hi, what do you do for work? Hi, what do you do for work?
I am a teacher. And you, Jamie? I am a teacher. And you, Jamie?
Right now, I am unemployed. Right now, I am unemployed.
Oh, sorry to hear that. Oh, sorry to hear that. Are you looking for a job? Are you looking for a job?
Yes, I am still looking for work in the United States. Yes, I am still looking for work in the United States.
What kind of occupation are you interested in? What kind of occupation are you interested in?
I work with marketing. I work with marketing.
Well, I wish you good luck, Jamie. Well, I wish you good luck, Jamie. Lesson 7. Review. Verb to be. Affirmative, negative, and interrogative. Affirmative. I am. I'm. You are. You're. She is. She's. He is. He's. It is. It's. We are. We're. You are. You're. They are. They're. Negative. I am not. I'm not. You are not. You aren't. She is not. She isn't. He is not. He isn't. It is not. It isn't. We are not. We aren't. You are not. You aren't. They are not. They aren't. Interrogative. Am I? Are you? Is she? Is he? Is it? Are we? Are you? Are they? Personal pronouns. I. You. She. He. It. We. You. They. Verb to do. Affirmative, negative, and interrogative. Verb to do. Affirmative. I do. You do. She does. He does. It does. We do. You do. They do. Verb to do. Negative. I do not. You do not. She does not. He does not. It does not. We do not. You do not. They do not. Verb to do. Contracted negative. I don't. You don't. She doesn't. He doesn't. It doesn't. We don't. You don't. They don't. Regular verbs conjugation. Present tenses. Verb to work. I work. You work. She works. He works. It works. We work. You work. They work. Verb to look for. I look for. You look for. She looks for. He looks for. It looks for. We look for. You look for. They look for. Verb to wait. I wait. You wait. She waits. He waits. It waits. We wait. You wait. They wait.
Did you like this video? If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos.